In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to record your screen with OBS. I'm gonna make this simple and precise for y'all to understand. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is go and open up OBS. Let's say you've already got OBS downloaded and installed. You will have to select a brand new blank scene just like mine right here. Head to the bottom right and go and tap on Settings. On General, you don't need to change anything. Get over to the left-hand side and tap on Output. Let's select this as Simple because the advanced mode isn't really needed if you're just doing basic screen recording. In the recording section, select a recording path, and this is really important because that's where your file is going to be saved. You can customize to where you want your recordings to get saved to. For the recording quality, high-quality medium file size is the best option of this case. This will stay as MP4. On encoder, use the NVENC HEVC if you have graphics card, and if not, use the software X264. Make sure to tap on Apply to save all the changes. Head to the Audio tab. Make sure you've got your desktop audio set to default. Come down to the mic and make sure you go inside the correct mic. That's really important, because otherwise you won't be heard. Since I don't have no mic connected, I'll leave this as it is. Tap on Apply and proceed to Video. Choose your base or canvas resolution. This like the frame size of your video. You can choose this based on what you really want. I'll just leave mine as it is. On output, just do the same. Lastly, for the FPS, it doesn't really matter, leave it on 60. If your computer is powerful enough, then I definitely recommend using 60. However, if it's a lower use, 30. Come over to the hotkeys. On Start Recording, select F5 and Stop Recording hotkey is F6. So when I hit F5, it starts recording, and I press F6, it stops recording. Don't forget to tap on Apply to save all the changes. Get back to this page and add a source. It's like your computer screen or a webcam. Tap on the add, then choose like the whole display. But you could add a game capture, image, or even a window capture as well. On capture method, select automatic, and on display, I'll choose this very first option. Now, since everything is set right, you can go and tap on Start Recording. If you tap on Stop Recording, that video is going to be saved to that file path we selected earlier, as you can see. That's how easy it is to record your screen on OBS. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.